Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install and connect private internet access, that's PIA VPN, on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end of this video you will be able to secure your streaming and access geo-blocked content effortlessly. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your Fire TV homepage. Scroll across to the app drawer. Scroll down and click on Get More Apps. This will take you to the Amazon App Store where you can download new applications. Now let's find Private Internet Access VPN. Navigate to the search tab. On the left, click on the search bar. Type in Private Internet Access. It should be the first result you see. Click on it to open the app page. Click on the Install button. Once installed, open the app. After a few seconds, you will see the login screen. Click on Login, enter your PI account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, check the link in the description below to sign up. PI VPN offers high-speed servers worldwide and follows strict no-logs policy, ensuring complete privacy. Once logging, you will see the main VPN dashboard. Connecting to a VPN is super easy. Tap the power button at the top to connect automatically, or scroll down to select a specific server location. For example, if you want a US server, search for New York, select it and connect within seconds. For faster and more stable connections, I recommend changing the protocol to WireGuard. Click the settings button, bottom right corner, select protocol at the top, change it to WireGuard, click on OK and go back. This makes streaming high definition content much smoother. Once you are connected, you can exit the app and start using your Fire Stick as usual. Your connection is now encrypted, private, and optimized for streaming. And that's it. You have successfully installed and connected to PI VPN on your Fire Stick. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.